Welcome to our comparison of the KIKIDO hair clippers and the TPOB Slime 2. In today's video, we will dive deep into the features of these two popular hair clippers to help you make an informed decision. We'll look at their prices, motor power, and the accessories they come with. Let's get started. The KIKIDO hair clippers are priced at $69, making them a budget-friendly option for those looking for quality without breaking the bank. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 comes in at $126, which reflects its professional-grade features and performance. While the KIKIDO offers great value, the TPOB may justify its higher price with its powerful motor and build quality. When it comes to motor power, the KIKIDO features a high-torque motor, but it is less powerful than the TPOB Slime 2, which boasts a robust 6,800 RPM rotary motor. This difference means that the TPOB can handle thicker hair more efficiently, making it a preferred choice for professional barbers and stylists. The KIKIDO hair clippers come with a comprehensive set of accessories, including multiple guide combs and a cleaning brush, making it versatile for various haircuts. On the other hand, the TPOB Slime 2, while it includes a carrying case, has fewer accessories included, which may limit its versatility compared to the KIKIDO. In conclusion, both the KIKIDO hair clippers and the TPOB Slime 2 have their unique strengths. The KIKIDO is a great budget option with a wide range of accessories, while the TPOB offers superior power and performance for professional use. We hope this comparison has helped you decide which clipper is right for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.